Hello everybody, this is Satoshi. I hope you guys are doing well and staying indoors to keep you and your family safe. We have also decided to stay indoors for the time being to do our part to protect ourselves as well as others. Ramen is one of my favorite meals, and I can eat a bowl of ramen every single day. Over the past 5 years, we visited many ramen restaurants and have introduced them to you guys. And even though every place we visited was either good or excellent, we do have our favorite. So on this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ramen restaurants in Tokyo that we think is the best of the best. These are seriously some of the best bowls of ramen you will ever eat. We are going to start with a personal favorite. It's called Nogata Hope. Opened in 1988, Nogata Hope has been making customers happy for quite a while now. With 7 shops around the city, this one is the original branch. Their signature pork bone-based broth, also known as tonkotsu, is made by combining chicken, vegetables, and pork, making their ramen familiar yet special. We live nearby, so I come here often.
Guys, I want to try mine. This is the
This is Nogata Hajime.
hajime. So this is like the most basic one?
It's basic one.
Okay. So let me try the soup first. I like this. I actually thought it would be lighter because it says this is like the basic one. It's not necessarily thick, but it's thick enough. It's perfect for me.
This is called Noga Hokoku. Very rich taste.
Really?
Wow. I love this. This is a pork and chicken vegetable broth. Very rich, very thick ramen soup. Itadakimasu. Next on the list is Shimbu Sakia, specializing in Hokkaido-style ramen, located in Shibuya. Their miso broth is a blended of Shinshu miso, Hokkaido koiten miso, and more than 12 other ingredients. They also have really good vegan ramen.
Whoa. Oh, the miso broth is this vegan? It tastes like there's... Wait, this is vegan, right?
Yes.
So there's no fish either.
Pure vegan broth.
What? Wait a minute.
But it's such a deep flavor, right?
It's very deep. So they must be using really good quality miso or something.
Yeah.
Because there's
Very good red miso.
it's deep, it's a little bit sweet, of course salty, savory, so much flavor. Sorry, can I try your soup as well? You
Let's
try my
switch
soup?
over here. Yeah, fine.
This
mine.
is the salt one?
Yeah, it's the salt-based one. We'll do a switch here.
Oh, the salt one is good too.
Yeah, that miso, I missed that. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
both are
salt-
fantastic.
Yes, the salt one is a little bit lighter, but still with full of flavor. Oh, that's delicious.
What do you like it?
If I had known that vegan ramen tastes this good, I can eat this like any time. Like this satisfies my ramen cravings. It really does.
It's such a good bowl. Vegan or otherwise, it's a really good bowl.
Right. And then Hokkaido ramen typically has corn in it. And I actually used to not like corn in my ramen, but these days I do. I like it. I think it adds a nice texture and variety.
Yeah, and kind of a nice sweetness too, right? You know, a little bit of sweetness to the broth.
And then there's cabbage here. At first I thought it was lettuce, but there's cabbage, which is kind of unusual for ramen, right? As a topping. Oh, that's nice. Very sweet cabbage, crispy. Delicious. And onions too. Good choice. Good choice.
Now, here is a place that I love. Kazuya, located in Meguro, serves old school style shoyu ramen, but does it like no one else. Their signature wonton men is ramen with handmade dumplings, which are made fresh every day at the shop. The noodles are also made daily in-house. Their tsukesoba is also very good.
This is the shinasoba, and this is what they're popular for.
Yes, most popular.
Wow, the noodles are like really thin.
It's good. Of course, it's good. You make that sound.
Now, what is this soup made of?
It's layered. It tastes like a little bit more. There's a little bit more, I feel like, richness that comes out in the broth. It's actually a combination of chicken and pork that are blended together.
I was trying to decide like whether it tastes like chicken
Yeah,
or
yeah,
pork,
yeah.
because I could taste both.
Yeah, it's that
You
blend.
know, this is the wonton men, and really looking forward to trying it. So these are the wontons that girl was making. What here? Oh wow. Sorry, I just got to the meat part. So much flavor. I thought it was just wonton.
That is pure joy. On your face.
But it's very beautiful. You want to eat? You want to eat? I'm gonna eat. More gingerly. Ginger flavor added, I think. I like this dipping soup. Very. I like the gingery flavor. So refreshing. While filming with our friend Frank from 5 a.m. Ramen, this ended up being Shinichi's favorite. He keeps bugging me to take him back there. They make something called spice ramen, which is ramen using more exotic spices. Their signature spice ramen include things like cashew nuts, deep fried burdock, and paprika. Not your typical ramen. So mine is spice mazesoba. It's soupless noodle, but of course they are using soup. The soup is very little. Look, at the bottom of this bowl there is soup. There is soup a little bit. Thick soup. So we have to mix before eating. Like this. Ooh. The toppings are same as a spice ramen. Oh, look. Itadakimasu. Pretty unique. How can I describe this? It's kind of like curry, but it's not. It's not curry, I think. I think it's not curry. It's spice, cumin spice or something like that.
So I got the spice ramen, and guess who's gonna eat the spicy one? That's me. So I got the 6 times spicy level. That's an additional 250 yen. And this is what it looks like. I gotta tell you, it looks just as good as the special spice ramen. I love all the ingredients. I love that they have the half-boiled egg. There's even peanuts in here, which is very, very unusual. They have red and yellow bell pepper. In this one, they have the ear fungus mushroom, or the cloud ear mushrooms, and a whole bunch of stuff in here. So look at the noodles. It's definitely more red than the first one. Okay, I'm kind of scared. A little scared. Itadakimasu. Good spices. Really good spices. You know, it kind of smells like the spices that's in a curry spice, but it's definitely not curry. It's more the spices in the curry, but not curry powder. Oh, actually it's really good. The soup is really nice. There's a slight tang to it. I don't know where that's coming from. It's not crazy. It is kind of crazy spicy, but it's not going so overboard. I'm really curious to see what it tastes like with some of the peanuts, because I've never had, not peanuts, these are cashew nuts with my noodles. Onions. Oh, And the cashew nuts are amazing with the noodles.
Finally, we come to Tatsuya, which we think is the best tonkotsu ramen in Tokyo, perhaps in the entire country. It's conveniently located in Shinjuku, and just talking about it makes my mouth water. Their broth is simmered for over 15 hours to achieve the maximum umami, creating a broth that's rich and bold yet mild at the same time.
The noodles, it's thin noodles. Slice out.
Is it good?
Oh yeah, it is. It really is. So good. So creamy. The meat really, it's just spiced really well. It's really good.
So there you have it, our 5 favorite ramen restaurants in Tokyo. Which one looked most appealing to you? Do you have a favorite ramen restaurants in your neighborhood? Share your thoughts with us below, and as well as thank you for watching. Once again, stay safe, stay happy, and I'll see you soon. Bye!